All right. Today we're going to bring a flea and tick prevention. That's pretty much what we're going to get. Now, these are little snacks that you give your dog, all right? There's no preservatives, no GMC on it, so no soy either. So we're going to take a look at how they look. Now, these guys like it a lot. Recommendation, 1 a day. That's it. Don't overdo it and give them extra ones. Just make sure that you monitor them too, because some dogs can be allergic to certain side effects on certain dogs that have ingredients. Just make sure you read the ingredients prior to using it. Check your veterinarian to make sure it's safe for your dog. All right. So a lot of dogs are allergic. This guy has a lot of allergies. So I got to prevent him from, taking certain medications, certain things. So that's another thing you got to take a look. If you love your dogs, read about it first. All right. So I have 2 pets here. Flea season's coming around summer, so you want to prevent them. Take a head start right here. If you can see, this guy can't wait to get them. Let's see how they look because he likes it a lot. So to begin with, let me show you how they are. They're like little bits and they're a little moist, so this is perfect. Just make sure if they're hardened, they're not good no more. Right? Just keep them under lid all the time. Make sure they're a little not moist but a little soft. That's pretty much what you do. All right. So what you want to do is just give 1 each. All right. Give this guy each. He likes it. And then Crypto, come here, Crypto. Crypto likes it too. So go on 1 a day. It's like a treat. It tastes good. They like it so much that they're always asking for it when they see this green logo. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.